Ultimate RC Mini Games Battle, a world of remote-controlled fun. Introduction. The world of remote-controlled, RC, mini-games has taken the concept of play to a whole new level. Enthusiasts of all ages engage in thrilling competitions, challenges, and races, making RC mini-games one of the most exciting hobbies today. In this article, we'll explore the captivating world of RC mini-games, where skill, precision, and creativity collide for ultimate fun. 1. The RC Racing Circuit. RC car racing is a heart-pounding experience that brings enthusiasts together on meticulously designed tracks. These miniature race cars, controlled by skilled operators, can reach impressive speeds. With various classes of RC cars, from on-road to off-road, there's a race for everyone. 2. Aerial acrobatics. RC aircraft and drones have soared in popularity. Pilots can perform breathtaking stunts and tricks, including flips, rolls, and loops. Drone racing, in particular, has gained a massive following, with pilots navigating high-speed drones through challenging courses. 3. RC boats on the water. For those who prefer aquatic adventures, RC boat races offer exhilarating contests. These scaled-down vessels can reach impressive speeds, creating thrilling waterborne competitions. From speedboats to sailboats, there's a class for every seafaring enthusiast. 4. Precision in the airsoft arena. RC tanks and vehicles equipped with airsoft guns bring a new dimension to combat simulation. Players strategize, taking cover and engaging in mock battles. The combination of RC control and airsoft firepower creates an intense experience. 5. RC Robot Wars. Inspired by the popular TV show Robot Wars, enthusiasts build and battle their remote-controlled robots. These robots are equipped with various weapons and engage in exciting duels, showcasing engineering creativity and combat skills. 5. RC Robot Wars. Inspired by the popular TV show Robot Wars, enthusiasts build and battle their remote-controlled robots. These robots are equipped with various weapons and engage in exciting duels, showcasing engineering creativity and combat skills. 6. Rock Crawling Challenges. RC rock crawlers are designed to tackle rugged terrains, simulating the experience of off-road adventures. Enthusiasts navigate their mini off-road vehicles through challenging obstacle courses, showcasing their driving skills. 7. DIY and customization. One of the most appealing aspects of RC mini-games is the opportunity for customization. Enthusiasts often modify and upgrade their RC vehicles, experimenting with different components, chassis, and paint jobs to create unique and personalized machines. 8. The role of technology. Modern technology has played a significant role in advancing RC mini-games. High-quality cameras on drones provide first-person views, allowing pilots to see exactly what their drones see. Precision controllers, advanced battery technology, and lightweight materials have all contributed to enhancing the experience. 9. Community and competitions. RC mini-games have fostered strong communities. Enthusiasts gather at local hobby shops, parks, and dedicated RC tracks to share their passion. Regional and international competitions attract skilled players, showcasing the level of talent in the hobby. 10. Educational value. Beyond the thrill of competition, RC mini-games offer educational benefits. Participants learn about physics, engineering, problem-solving, and teamwork as they build, repair, and strategize with their RC machines. Conclusion. Unleashing the joy of remote-controlled play, RC mini-games offer a world of excitement, bringing out the inner child in enthusiasts of all ages. Whether racing at breakneck speeds, performing aerial acrobatics, engaging in combat simulations, or tackling off-road challenges, RC mini-games are a fusion of technology, creativity, and camaraderie. The allure of these games lies not only in the thrill of competition but also in the sense of wonder and joy that comes from controlling miniature machines with precision and skill. As technology continues to advance, the world of RC mini-games is bound to evolve, offering new challenges and possibilities for all who dare to play.